Hey there, folks! Can you believe that the very same words can mean totally different things just by changing the tone of voice? I'm gonna show you some classic examples. Can you bring me the book? Sorry? Can you bring me the book? Sorry. Sorry? 我没有听清楚，你们再说一遍呀，哈哈。Sorry. 滚！ I work for the company. I work for the company. I work for the company. 我在这家公司工作，其他人不在这工作。I work for the company. 我是在这工作的，不是玩的。Tag questions like those little questions at the end of sentences like isn't it or don't you can also use both tones. A falling tone seeks confirmation, while a rising tone implies uncertainty, leaving judgment to listener. You will finish the work, won't you? Yes, I will. You will finish the work, won't you? Yes, I will. You will finish the work, won't you? 我知道你会完成的。You will finish the work, won't you? 哎呀，你能不能完成呀？我很不确定哎。He's the person I'm looking for. Are you sure? He's the person I'm looking for. Are you sure? Are you sure? 你确定吗？ Are you sure? 不会吧，你脑子坏掉了吧？ Intonation can signal whether a conversation is continuing or ending. A falling tone can indicate the end of a conversation, while a rising tone might suggest further discussion. Are you Mr. Lin? Yes. Are you Mr. Lin? Yes. Yes. 呀，你找我什么事儿啊？请说，请说。Yes. 我不想跟你说话了。It's so nice to finally meet you. It's so nice to finally meet you. It's so nice to finally meet you. 我一点也不想见到你。It's so nice to finally meet you. 哎呀，见到你好开心啊。Remember, the way we speak and our choice of intonation can be as important as the words we choose. Pay attention to how speakers respond to each other on television and in films. Listen to their tones while observing their facial expressions. Once you know the context, you will know their intended meaning. Thanks for watching. I'm Xiaobing Bao. See you next time.